How to fix fast internet but slow download speed in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. Step 1. Enable WWAN and WLAN services. Click on search. Type services. Click on the services under best match. Look for WLAN autoconfig. This one. Right click on this service and select properties. Change the startup type to automatic. If it is not automatic on your computer, click on the drop down and select automatic. Service status must be running. If the service status is not running, click on start, then click on apply and click on OK. Right click on WLAN autoconfig, select restart. In the same way, find WWAN autoconfig, right click on this service, select properties. Make sure that a startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select automatic. The service status must be running. If the service status is stop, click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. Then right click on WWAN autoconfig service, select restart. Once done, close the services window and restart your computer. After restarting, the download speed should be fixed. If the issue still persists, you will have to run some commands. Click on search, type cmd, select run as administrator. On user account control, click on yes. Go to the video description. You will get these commands there. Run these command lines one by one. Copy the first line. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Copy the second line. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Copy the next line. Once done, close the command prompts, close the other running files and applications, and restart your computer. Now check if the download speed is increased. If you are still facing the issue, then you will need to clean boot. Click on search, type msconfig, msconfig. Click on system configuration from the result section. Go to the services tab and check the box for hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Go to the startup tab now. Click on the link open task manager. Make sure that all the startup apps are disabled. You can check in the status tab. If any program is enabled, you can right click on the program and select disable. Make sure that all the programs are disabled here. Close the task manager. Click on apply and click on OK. A pop-up will prompt. Click on restart on that prompt. Then the issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.